Hello guys, welcome. Got your hands on Switch 2 and Mario Kart World. Want to race and battle with friends? We'll show you how. So firstly, make sure everyone has Nintendo Switch Online. Navigate to Online Play, Friends, Create Room. You'll enter free roam mode, press plus, and choose View Room Info to get a 6-digit room ID. Friends, tap Online Pay, Friends, search by room ID, enter it, and join. Now you can start races in any mode. Grand Prix, Knockout Tour, VS races, Balloon Battle, and Coin Runners. Local multiplayer as well. So for split screen, go to multiplayer, 2P, 2 players, and start racing. Local wireless, choose wireless play, 2 players to connect with another Switch. Supports up to 8 players across devices. While free roam isn't officially a fully social mode, you can still join friends in free roam lobbies while playing online or via local wireless. That's pretty much how to do this, from epic 24-player online races to cozy split-screen sessions with friends. If this guide helped, hit like and subscribe for more Switch 2 tips. See you next time, have fun racing.